feel a shorty like that, a shorty like this.
What's up guys, it's me, Itzatlanta, and welcome back to my channel.
Look at that. Don't put that in.
I will put that in. So I'm just here getting ready for like college. And today is gonna be a fun adventure. We're gonna have a vlog day. I think I'm gonna post every day. So I'm gonna post like a challenge video on Tuesday or do a Monday vlog. I'm posting every day, guys, don't worry. And yeah, I need to get ready. Like I need to get changed. And I need to like entry. Look, do you want to see my
When
cat?
you're recording, I will have to get in it, but I don't want you to put me in it.
Oh yeah.
I'll show you how a YouTube channel is done. Get on with that.
Right. Entry, come on.
Amy, why does yours look brighter than mine?
Right, so I need to get ready, but I'll see you guys in like 10 minutes. Mwah. I'm back. Yeah, so I've just got ready and I'm ready to set off soon. Probably about 11:50. And yeah, so I came back to update you, and I hope how your day's going, because mine is not going great. But yeah, next time I'll see you, which is in like probably like 10 minutes, is I'll be on the bus really. So I'll see you now. Bye, I love ya. I'm off to the shop, but this might go off because I don't have that much. But yeah, I'll see you when I get in the shop. Just been to the shop. Now we're off to the other one because, you know, I need to get a drink. But yeah, I'm going home. That was a fun day at the shop. It's getting kind of dark and that, but yeah. Sorry if, because I cannot switch my camera over so it will work, so I've just got to do that for some reason. But yeah. So yeah, I'll see you when I get up. Guys, I'm going to call this short, but I've just had a stressful day, so I just can't be editing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But you
So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Moments, now I'm starting to believe